Hello everyone, now I'm with Lumintop Ring King. Okay, it's a small tactical flashlight that use AA battery or 14500 lithium ion battery. This one comes with Osram LED smooth reflector. For the max lumen 1000 lumens, max for the max throw 180 meters. The tail cap switch here is also a tactical switch that actually is a lighted switch, but it's quite difficult to notice that there's a light working here. Okay. It will change color, green, red, something like that, light breathing. Okay. There's no indicator light on the flashlight, but the very inside here. Okay. Sorry, 14500 battery with USB-C charging port. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. I like the design. Okay, it looks really good. Okay, let's see the lumens data here. Okay, for the low mode, okay, low mode 20 lumens. You can use 14500 battery and also AA. Okay, for the low mode, it's about 20 lumens for 14500 battery, medium 350 lumens, high 1000 lumens, and strobe and police flash about 350 lumens here. Okay. For the AA output, low 3 lumens, medium 100 lumens, and high about 300 lumens. Okay. For the runtime on high mode, okay, for lithium ion battery, it lasts about 1 minute, and then it steps down, okay, to about, I think, medium or a bit higher than medium. Okay, and that lasts about 55 minutes. Okay, here for the lithium ion battery. Okay, for impact resistant 1 meter, IPX8, okay, under 2 meter of water, Osram LD, something like that. Okay, this is about lumens data, Ring King. Okay, let's see how it works. The way this flashlight works is quite simple. Okay, you can turn it on by full press. Okay, it will turn on the last memorized brightness. Okay, and then turn off. Okay, or you can lightly tap. Okay, to turn on, something like that. Okay. Release, it will turn off. Okay, to cycle to the mode, okay, you have to lightly tap. Okay, low, medium, high, low, medium, high, something like that. When you get your preferred brightness, just pull full press. Okay, that's it. To get strobe, okay, double tap here like this. Okay, strobe, and it also has police flash. You have to make 6 taps here. Okay, but it's quite difficult to get it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Okay, this is police flash. Okay, very simple to use. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, everyone, now I'm with Lumintop Ring King. I'm at the basketball court. Okay, this is the lowest mode, okay, low mode. I can see the basketball go there at the other side, but not quite clear. Okay, let's go to about medium. Here, this is medium. Okay, medium is very good. Okay, wow, medium is quite bright. Very good beam. I love this Osram LED. Wow. And that is the house. You see that? Wow. Here is quite bright for its size. Okay, really good beam here. This is about medium. Okay. I think turbo, for the turbo mode, it stepped down, but it seems to be a bit brighter than medium. Okay, I have tried turbo of this flashlight for about 5 minutes. It's quite really bright, and it stepped down. I think it's still brighter than this level. Let's go to turbo. Okay, here, this is turbo mode. Okay, very bright. You see that? Wow. Good throw and good spill. There's some ring at the edge, but it's not ugly. Okay, this is turbo. Okay, I can show you turbo, and then we can see how how much brightness left. Okay, after a while, actually, I think turbo lasts about maybe about 90 seconds, something like that. Okay, really good and really constant brightness from the turbo mode. Okay. Good. Let's talk about good things about this flashlight. Okay, really good beam. Okay, Osram, good throw, good spill in such a small size like this. Okay, really good design. The flashlight is quite good. Okay, it looks good, and it is quite easy to use. Okay, no heat at all. Now I'm holding the flashlight, and this is a turbo mode. Actually, I think now it's stepping down, gradually step down. Okay, it gradually step down. Really good, really constant brightness. Okay. Wow. Still very bright. You see that here. Really good beam. Here, I think it's stepping down. Okay. Very good beam. I am quite satisfied with its performance, okay, for the brightness. I think its brightness is quite good. Okay, here it stepped down. Okay, I think it stepped down to about this level. Okay, for the turbo mode. Okay, here it seems to be it seems brighter than a bit brighter than medium. Okay, very good brightness. Okay, this is the other side of the basketball goal. Okay. Here, this is turbo step down. Okay, it stepped down to about this. Okay, maybe about medium or about higher than medium. I think it's still higher than medium. Okay, let me check. I will turn off. Okay. Okay, here is about medium. Okay, I think it stepped down to a level that is a bit brighter than medium. Okay, that is my guess. Okay. For to fast click, you can also get strobe. Okay, this is very good for self defense. Okay. Okay, here about medium. Okay, turbo here. Okay. Okay. Overall, okay. I love this flashlight. It's really powerful and really good constant brightness. Okay. Very good. Things for improvement maybe because it uses the battery with USB-C, so there's no USB-C charging port on the flashlight. Okay, and there's no indicator light. It would be great if it has USB-C and indicator light on the flashlight. Okay, just my opinion. Okay, but overall it's good. Okay, I like it. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.